Where's Dexa?
Mommy, that starts.
Going up! Okay, oo nga, no? Woo! Not cross iron, Dexa? Okay. This is third floor, going up. Ayan siya. Dexa!
Fourth floor.
Ayan, so dito siya. Hey, Daddy, get this one.
Showing 9.
Dexa! Okay, let's go.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine.
Wow! Enjoy! Sa careful! Wala tayong damit. Hindi natin dala yung damit mo. There! Dexa.
Gusto mo ulihin ko? Huwag kang lumuhod kasi
Dirty ka mamaya. Ang laki nila! So big! They're big.
The fountain sprayed me.
Oh, okay. Oh, ito, pinakamalaki, Dexa. Dexa, it's big.
Whoa.
Yeah. That's big, Dexa. Oh, there, malaki din yun. Ay, dalawa pala sila. Yeah, I know. Lalaki, no? Grabe. Oh my God. Oh, ito. Dexa! Dexa! Tutukain niya mamaya kamay mo.
Wait out.
Dito to sa Devonian Garden.
Mommy, Daddy said that one would be me. I'm yellow.
Eto, tinan mo yung ano dun sa bahay natin. Ganito yung lalaki siya ng ganyan. At Dexa, come here. There's a lot here. Yeah, come here, come here. Okay.
I got wet.
Okay, here. Let's see this. Yan o. So, marami dito kasi tahimik yung water. Ay! Akala nila. Nagulat sila. Cute. Ano ginawa mo? Dexa, artista ka. Yan, so ikot-ikot lang kami dito. Before we will go to playground.
Ito ko
Yeah.
pinakita sa inyo ni Daddy.
Oh.
May isang video of Dexa na ang cute niya na take
Video?
When we went to the aniyan, ang cute niya.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
It's a video
Para
of
siyang, ano, isang maliit na dwarf. Yeah. Para nga siyang dwarf. Okay. Okay, where's the sea? Okay. Okay, go. Where's the sea? Okay, go ahead. Okay, you try.
Yeah, this is.
Okay. Hanap tayo ng maupuan. Ayan, ito, tama pala to sa atin. Naka-reserve.
Kape ko ako.
Yeah, please. Grabe si Dexy. Oh, nako. Grabe ang ading. Ayan, sige. Ala, sige. Oh my. Careful. Sige, careful ka. Get
Dressed
him.
like a girly girl. Actually,
Sige. Oh, sige. Oh my God. Ala, sige.
Pink
Ayan.
na pink pero tingnan mo ginagawa niya.
Ala. Wow.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you prove it. You're good.
you should
Si
line
daddy mo nandun sa, ano, baka may gusto ka. Timbits.
Line up for the side.
Yan. Ayaw niya yung slides na yan eh.
Line up this way.
Yeah. Okay, Dexa, it's your turn. Okay. Okay, we're ready. 1, 2, 3. Woo! That's nice. Okay, enjoy. Ang laki ng playground na to, so nayaan lang namin si Dexa muna dito maglaro din. Yung mag-ama nag-photoshoot dun sa kabila. Dexa, enjoy! Oh, dito pala nilipat yung mga umbrella na yun. Yan. Okay, go! Oh. Wow! Good job! Wow! Yeah? Wow! That's nice, Dexa! Oh, careful! Okay? Wow! Good job! Okay. Okay, thank you. Ito mo na mga bata. Dexa! Ayan na. Sugar overload na sila. Wow. Thank you. The other one? Yeah. Hmm? Hmm? Hmm?
I
Okay.
thought it would be in a bowl.
Sweet treat. No, it's okay. It's nice when it's in like that though. Right? Yeah. Lexi, gusto mo ng ano? Ng spoon? Get mo muna yung mga nandito. Get mo muna yung gilid niya. Kasi mahuhulog siya. There. Okay? Okay, let's go. Beautiful place to na mag-ikot-ikot din. Ayan siya. Mga iba-iba naman ng paligid. Ayan. Para lang, I don't know kung ano yung kagaya nito sa Pinas. Ano to? Ayala? Ayan. Ayala mo. Nandito yun sa downtown. Where are you, Dexa? There's Dexa. Dexa is going down. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh.
Third floor.
Okay, let's go to third floor daw, sabi ni ate. Okay, third floor. Ito daw kami. So, revive. Tingnan natin. Duck spot care. Facial mask. Ayan siya. Oh. What? Siyempre galing yan sa Korea eh. Mm.
I love it. Oh God, so cute.
Ito ata yung gusto ko na ano eh, na parang iregalo natin na ano, giveaway para mailagay yung mga ganito nyo. Yan.
Sana kung marami ganito rin sa Amazon. Pwede rin ito maganda sa giveaways. Sa mga pag-preno.
Mag-ask nga ako ng mga ano, something nila. Ito din mga beauty products. Yan. Yeah. May pa ganyan-ganyan pa.
Oh, this is
Okay, ask mo muna sunscreen, right?
Our other one is still.
Okay, yeah, you can compare though. Okay, let's go. Thank you so much. Yeah. Father's Day treat. Nakakita siya ng kanyang Father's Day gift. Mukhang makapapabili tayo ngayon Sabi niya pagkatapos ng Korean brand yung sa mukha, ako naman. Okay, help daddy with all the things, okay? Pauwi na! Daming iniikot. Di na din ako masyado nakapag-vlog kanina. Anyway, eto pauwi na nga. It's so loud, right?
If you're watching this video, you can't
Loud. Hoy, nahulog!
It's summer, what is
Oh. The exit. So, yun. Ayun ang mga bata sa indoor parking.
I like when you're going up and down, but I like when you are only out because it looks like a hotel. Like, remember in Toronto, we like walk, like the ceiling,
Oh,
just the ceiling. Yeah, the ceiling, just like the ceiling, right?
okay.
It reminds me.
Yan na. Gumanda na ang panahon kasi kanina sobrang kulimlim, maulan.
Finally, we're out.
Welcome to Calgary. Ayan, meron pa tayong exhibition. Yan no, the Calgary Transit daw. Yan, Somerset. Hindi yan ang aking sinasakyan, kundi Saddletown. Yeah. So, eto na, 4th Street na. Nagre-ready na ako niyan. Kasi 7 yung babaan ko.
Mama, can you just every video speak English? Cause in people, one person had they speak Tagalog, and their mom, their dad, their kids, they speak English, so people could understand. Not everybody that watches speak Tagalog. Most of the people that watch YouTube are like not Filipino.
Oh, okay.
That like most of the time.
So you will do the vlogging na lang para you will be the one to talk though.
But when you're doing cooking,
Yeah. Kasi I don't talk English. I like to talk in my language.
but
I miss to talk Tagalog.
Hello, Rain.
Okay, yun lang ang aming vlog.
Then
Pauwi na.
all the viewers won't know it.
Yeah.
Then we watch it every day.
Did you shout out to her?
Shout out to Horain, our beautiful neighbor.
He's so nice. He's the best.
She's the best. Ganda siguro nito pag fall view. Tingnan niyo yung mga leaves nila guys. Tutubo pa lang. Ito oh. Yan, so it means talagang pa-summer na. Yan, so tingnan din natin yung mga spring ano
Guys,
ngayon.
guys.
Mga plants. O tingnan niyo dito oh. Spring plants oh.
Guys,
Yeah.
whenever you see
Din oh. Yan oh.
Whenever you see trees that have like bumps that has green stuff in it, that you see small green stuff in it, that means leaves are growing through it, and then it's gonna make a long stem.
Yes. Okay. O, dito na sana lang. Saan? Oo nga, naggasolina lang siya. Ano yun? Naubusan? I know. Hindi niya inabot. Dapat pala ikaw, Dad, may ganun ka.
Delikado.
Really? Yan lang. Yan, Peter's Drive-In. Malapit pa lang Peter's Drive-In sa pinuntahan namin. Yan. So, dadaan na lang daw kami dito. Dexy, do you want na ano na lang tayo? Yeah. Makikita mo yung menu?
I just want French fries.
Yeah. So, mag-order kami ng ano sa amin, Dexy.
Giant French fry meal, please.
Okay. Burger and ano kami.
Giant French fries, okay? a mega french fry pack. Mega.
Mega daw po.
Extra big, bigger than whole entire world, please.
Eh, laki naman ng fries nila
You
dito,
want
Dex.
extra mega to just eat 10 pieces.
Kami din mag-uubos.
Ha, Dexa?
Ayan. So, tingnan natin kung mas okay kung mag-drive-thru tayo. Or magla-line tayo dito. What do you think? Line na lang? O sige, gusto ni daddy mo mag-line up? Gusto niyo muna din tayo? Para maiba? Malamig? Ah, okay. Peter's Drive-In! That drive-in, you can?
Drive by.
Wow! Okay, sige din. Tawid muna tayo. Burgers. Oh, here. Ayan siya. Ayan. So, naka-order na si Dexy. Sa malamig? So, ayan yung mga pwede mong i-order dito. Mga burgers. Pick up window here. Ayan. There.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Got two. Onion rings, fries, and 3 burgers. Ayan na. Ayan na. Digin na sila. Yum,
There's
yum,
no
yum.
onion in this. Look, squish it.
Oh, there's no onion. Meron yan. Siguro maliit lang. Yeah. So, dito na lang kami sa sasakyan kasi nga
Eat it,
malamig.
eat it.
Malamig ang weather.